G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a problem I've been having for some time with my stormwater drain. I've got the drain channels here. It's got a grate on top, and you can see there's lots of rocks and stones and little chips around it. What usually been happening is the rocks and chips go on top and they find their way through these little openings into the drain pipes. So I don't want that to happen. So as a solution, I went to my local hardware store, which is called Bunnings in Australia, and I found a gutter guard which cost only $2.50. So this is called Saxon gutter guard, which is 8 meter in length, 180 mil wide, and I will use this to solve my problem. So I'll demonstrate how I will do it. So I'll take this piece, I'll see what length it is, I'll cut it to size. I'm gonna cut this to length, but I will leave a bit of an excess for a bit of room to play with, just in case I don't want to be short. So this is the length of the grate, and I will cut it over here. One chip is already going in. Let's remove the stones. So as you can see, this is not going to cover the whole thing. There's going to be still room over here and here. So for this purpose, I'm going to cut another one and put it the other way around. So pull this out, remove all these rocks. So I will bend it in the corner as such. This one too. And I'm going to cut another piece, almost the same length. Cut it over here. This time I'm going to put it in the other direction, and I'll bend it in the corner on the edges. Put the lid back on. Now to demonstrate whether this thing works or not, I'm going to throw some rocks on top. Some of them are going through this channel or these openings, as you can see. And now I'm going to remove all from the top and see what's gone through. As you can see, this netting has caught all these rocks and chips and hasn't allowed these rocks to go through and into the stormwater drain, which is eventually going to clog had I not used this netting. Over time it will accumulate and it will block my drain, which will be a massive problem for me with my stormwater drain. Alright, so I'll put this lid back on. Make sure it's nicely secured. Put the rocks back because they're not going into my stormwater drain anymore, and job's done. So Saxon gutter guard has done the job. $2.50, and it's a very cheap and effective solution for the problem I had for a long time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and press the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.